Good morning everybody, it's day 46 of lockdown, 4 more days to go to the competition time. Picked up a really strong scent at the location where we saw the two foxes together. It's the nearest location to where I live that I've actually sighted the fox on camera. And there was a really strong scent there this morning. Right, well, we're just off to get the camera as always. Different location, and it's a location where we've had a strong scent on quite a number of occasions. So let's go and see. Looks like all the bait's gone. Right, well, yeah, all the bait have gone. Cocktail sausages, bird nuts, all gone. Really warm last night, really warm. It was about 10 to 10 when I got back to my apartment, and I was warm. I mean, I had this jacket on as usual. Yeah, it was warm, and you can feel it this morning. It's not chilly at all, and that's reflected in the dew. There's not a lot of dew on the ground, so yeah, a bit different this morning. So only the one scent marking so far. Didn't get any scent just there where the camera was. Very little dew on the camera lens, quite a bit on the tripod, because it's sort of on the edge of the field, bordering with the woodland, so it might have had a bit of protection from the canopy of the trees just on the edge of the woodland. Right, let's continue the walk. I just stopped just to have a look at the way that even the field's changed. The grass is getting really long now. You can see the tracks there through all the grasses. You can barely pick them out until you get close. Must be a great place for the foxes to hunt. But yeah, I've just picked up a scent, faint scent here, just by the little footbridge. This is what takes us into the second field. Really long grasses now. And that over there, that's where the little fence is, which I'm assuming is the entrance to the den area, or where they've got the den in that particular bit of land. Right, onward. I don't know whether you can see this clearly on camera, but I walk past this every morning and I've wondered what it is. It's like a area of flattened grass. It's quite similar to when a deer sort of beds down for the night somewhere. It always leaves a flattened area. It's quite a large area, and it seems to just go off a little bit there. Just not sure what that is, whether there's something sitting there. Does the fox sit there? Just checking around here. I just don't know. I've never placed a camera over this area of the field. This is that far end of the field, the second field. I've never put the camera in here. So I might try it down here tonight. Right, okay, let's talk about last night's footage. Again, we were lucky, we got between 15 and 20 minutes worth of footage, which was great. But like the previous night, where it was nearly all rabbit, last night it was all rat. I could not believe it. Clip after clip after clip was rat, 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 taking all the bait. I was getting really frustrated. But on the last video, we were treated to something other than the rat. Take a look. So yeah, that was great to see the vixen with a really full mouth of prey. So the cubs would definitely not be going hungry last night. So yeah, that was really good to see. So there you go, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is up here, or the one down below. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.